Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jeff Carbuoy YouTube channel, guys. This is where we post everything, all car repair videos, and today I just wanted to show you something. See this number right here, 1860,000 subscribers. You guys have made my dream come true, and this is part of you. That's why I want to share something special today. Let me show you my YouTube dream number. It has a capital M right here in the front of it. So look at here, not there. Where's this guy? All right, you see this YouTube channel right here. This guy always motivate me. Look, he has 8.88 million subscribers. That is my dream right there. So guys, let me show you something. Here. So what happening here is we are getting a lot of views. Right now we have 541 views in the last 28 days, and out of that 159 are subscribed. That means that is only 0.6% that are subscribed. That means 99.4 have not subscribed. So guys, I want to know on the comment section, what can we improve on this channel in order for us to see this growth? That way we can improve this from 0.6 to at least a 10 and above percent growth. Let me know what you guys want to see, how we can improve, how we can make you feel comfortable subscribing to Jeff Carbuoy YouTube channel. Stay tuned, more videos will be coming up soon.